Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. In today's video, I found a special little gem in TK Maxx. I found the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick kit. So this comes with 4 liquid lipsticks and a gloss. And I only got this for £20, which is an absolute bargain. If you go into TK Maxx, they have some amazing gems when they're not used, of course, because it's always frustrating when you go in there and products have been used and swatched. But when you see things like this, which are completely unused, I just get so excited, especially for Anastasia Beverly Hills. Originally this was £46, but I got this for £20, and I've not really tried any Anastasia Beverly Hills lipsticks before, so I'm super excited. So I'm going to try all of these on my lips and let you guys know my thoughts about them. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to, link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick kit, just keep watching. This Anastasia Beverly Hills lip set is actually called the Undressed Lip Set. There's a lot of S's in there. So this is pretty much what the lipsticks look like. They're all pretty much like nude brown colours. I know I don't really go for nudes, but I'm just very excited to try these on because I've heard so many people talking about Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you can't get this set in TK Maxx, they also do sell it on Beauty Bay as well, but unfortunately it's for the full price. So I'm just going to give these a little swatch. So these are the swatches here of all the liquid lipsticks. So the one right at this end, sorry, this one here, so the first one there, that one is called Sand. The one next to it, the peachy one, is called Peachy, which is a very good name for it because it's a very peachy orangey colour. The one along from it is called On Nude, so that's the darkest one out of the 3. And then you've got a metallic liquid lipstick, and that one is called Beaming. And then you've got the gloss right at the end, which is called Summer Vibes, which is a very pretty name. Okay, so I'm just going to try these on for you guys, and I'll let you guys know at the end which one was my favourite and which one wasn't my favourite. Okay guys, the liquid lipsticks and the lip gloss, they were all very easy to apply. Very easy to apply. They are very drying though, so they do dry out the lips a little bit. Obviously the deepest colour was my favourite. I just think it looks really flattering on my skin. I just really love it. And I think so many skin tones will be able to get away with this colour too. I just think it looks really pretty. If you do have deeper skin, then maybe using a lip liner would work really well with these 2 shades. I could see why they call it the Undressed. I mean, this is meant to cover so many different variety of skin tones. I just wish they included like a chocolate brown or something, so that way it includes all the different nudes for all different skin tones. But nonetheless, these are beautiful. The first 2, I probably would apply them with a lip liner because they are a little bit too pale for me and they look like I've got concealer lips. But nonetheless, they are really nice. The metallic liquid lipstick was really interesting. Same deal really. I'd have to wear it with a lip liner. I wouldn't just wear it on its own because it's just a little bit too metallic on its own. The gloss is gorgeous. It just transforms any of the liquid lipsticks. It's just the perfect colour, and it's perfect for any of these three. When these have completely dried down, you put this on top and it just looks stunning. Absolutely stunning. And also with this metallic liquid lipstick, you could even put this on top of the liquid lipstick as well when it's dried. Maybe apply this in the centre or something just to make it really metallic if you wanted to. Or like I said, just wear it with a lip liner. But this is an absolute bargain, guys. This is a steal. If you're in your local TK Maxx or TJ Maxx, do they call that in America? If you guys are there, then pick this up, because I think this is a bargain. This is not sponsored by Anastasia or anything, but I think this is a hidden gem, and I think it's a really good deal. You get like 5 products in here, and I just really like them. If you guys are like into these kind of nude colours, then I think you will absolutely love this. So I rave it. I think these are great. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys. Take care.